Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the first connection. Open SQL Server Management Studio, or SQL CMD, enter server/instance and credentials. If using Windows Auth, make sure your account is in a DB role. Once connected, expand databases to see available databases. If none appear, check the service and network. Begin by selecting the target database and set a safe working context with use database name. This gets you into the environment, so you can run the first queries and inspect schemas. Now you dig into the middle detailed steps. Explore schema and sample data. Open tables, then right-click and script table as create to learn structure. Run select top 100 asterisk from schema. Table to preview rows, add where clauses to narrow results. Use sys, indexes and sys. Foreign keys to map relationships and performance points. Once done, check execution plans for slow queries and identify missing indexes. Make sure to work in a transaction when testing changes, so you can roll back if needed. Finish by applying changes safely and handling problems. Start with a full backup and make schema or data edits inside explicit transactions. Commit only after verification. Use alter scripts rather than GUI edits for repeatability and deploy via dev/staging promotion. If something fails, capture the exact error, check SQL Server error log and Windows event log, then verify user permissions and network connectivity. One troubleshooting tip. If queries timeout, increase timeout, review indexes, and run SB-who2 to spot blocking processes before restarting services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.